Hello, Timbersurf here with an announcement about a competition for you to win tickets to a model railway show. The model railway show is the Model Rail Crewe Exhibition held at the Coppenhall Club in Crewe in the Midlands on the 22nd of June 25. That's a Sunday. Now it is its second inaugural thingamajig. It's going to be a great show with 15 layouts, 4 traders and 2 club stands. And it's a great venue because they have a bar, licensed bar, and excellent food. I can strongly recommend the food. Make a day of it. If the weather's good, which it should be, because look at what it's like at the present moment, you can eat outside. There are some picnic tables. Fantastic venue, easy parking, but there will fill up very quickly. However, there is a free shuttle bus service so that you can park and ride, as it were, from the railway station or from the Ibis Hotel, where there's plenty of free parking. Right, so how do you get yourself a couple of tickets to this show for free? Well, very, very simple. You could have joined a competition held by Barnabas Junction in the first week of May, but if you didn't win any on that one, you had a second chance with RGJ Trains on the second week of May. But if you didn't win them on that, you had a third chance with Simon Trains on the third week of May. But if you were unsuccessful in all those 3, then you still have a chance with me, because I'm giving away 2 tickets for the show. It's very simple to enter. All you need to do is to send me an email at timbersurf@lumstonia.co.uk and put in the header "in it to win it." I don't care what the spelling is, as long as it says "in it to win it," you will be entered into the draw. Obviously, don't send me an email if you can't make it. That would be a bit daft, really, unless you've got somebody who you know, who you want to go, who wants to go, who you could, even if you can't go. You know what I mean. So it is only 1 entry per person. However, if you're a couple, obviously if you send me an email individually, 2 different addresses, then you stand a chance of both of you getting in for free instead of one of you having to pay. So you've got until Wednesday midday on the 28th to get your entries in, and I will then tally them up and I will do a random pick on a wheel with the announcement at 6 PM on Wednesday the 28th. So that's it, really. I will say one more thing, which is that I will be organising a YouTubers meet and greet in the afternoon. So if you want to meet YouTubers that you follow on Model Railways channels, there's a good chance they may well turn up, or if you're one yourself, please do try and turn up. All are welcome. We had 15-20 odd last year of well-known faces, and hoping to get as many or more this year. I'll be looking out for your emails to timbersurf@lumstonia.co.uk with "in it to win it" as the header. And with that, I will say I'll see you next Wednesday. So for me, Timbersurf, it's ciao for now.